operating on kerosene, which is a very polluting fuel. But since about 7 years ago, it started operation, Yamina. It started operation on natural gas, which is more economical and also more ecological. On the right, there is a new gas station, electric station, that started its operation only a few months ago, 3-4 months ago. And both two power stations, they made the Dead Sea world fully independent of electricity. What's more, that they're also able, in cases of special needs, to sell electricity to the network, just in case of problems of various kinds. So it's another source of income for the plant, for the company. On the left side, you can see these black pipes and brown pipes. They are all pipes conducting a suspension, a mixture of water and raw material. And those piles that you see on the left, this is not potash, but this is raw material that is taken from the sides of the pools. And this raw material is made of crystals. We'll drive closer to them, so you will be able to see the crystals shining in the sun. And those crystals contain potassium chloride, magnesium chloride, and water. And these crystals are not very stable, and it is possible to break them down by physical processes like washing, heating, cooling, drying, repeating processes. And from this material, we produce the potash, the magnesium, the chloride, the bromides, and other minerals. Now we are about to enter the dam that separates between two evaporation pools, and it is easily noticeable that the pool on the left is lower than the pool on the right, Yasha. And on the sides of this road, or on the edge of these pools, you see this whitish material. This is raw material that is sedimenting on the edge of the evaporation pools. It is too shallow for the floating boats to harvest it. So every few weeks, a bulldozer is coming, taking this, loading it on trucks, and taking it to the plants. The road on top of which we are driving is made of earth material that is taken from the surrounding of the south part of the Dead Sea, and it has to be reinforced and maintained. Each time we have a cloud break here or just rain, all the stability of these dams have to be checked and reinforced again and again. Now, we will not go all the way to the end of this trail, but if we would end up 100 meters from the Israeli-Jordanian border. And this border is a peace border, just like in the Arava. We have mutual interest, both the Jordanians and we. And once the collection of the minerals from the right pool has been completed, then the water flows. Now you will see we are going over a bridge, and you will see the water flowing from the right side to the left side. And this is a continuous process. We never empty one pool fully and then fill it up, but the pools are continuously fed by water coming from the north. The sun evaporates the water. The sun evaporates the water, the minerals sediment on the ground. We harvest it, and the rest of the water flows back to the north, and they end up back in the northern basin, and then entering the cycle of evaporation by the sun, flowing to the south by a canal, and then continuing evaporation and sedimentation of the sodium chloride, and then forward to here, and the whole cycle takes about 1 full year. On the right side, you can see an area for experimental engineering, process control, and this is part of the research and development of the Dead Sea Works.
Wow.